select, ride, or race.
What's going on, Select Rider Race? We're back. We were just heading home from a ride with Randy's Reality, and I started noticing some real nice cars rolling through. Turbo Civic I'm familiar with. Quite a few oldies. It's nice Camaros. So, I figured I'd see what all the hubbub is, shall we? We're gonna go see what's going on. See if the Ninja H2 can't get some eyeball. Looks like we got ourselves a car show, boys. This is what I should have did first. Beautiful cars. We're gonna do a little walk around. We're gonna check out a couple things and park the H2 somewhere safe. See what we got going. Check that fucking thing out. Check that thing out. Ugh. We're gonna pull over here, Select Rider Race. Find a nice spot to pull up. Go see Mr. Rick here. I'm assuming he's backing up in there. I gotta get some pictures next to this Honda. I love it. Good to finally see it all in person. We found a car show. We bumped into an old car that brings back memories for me for being back in the car scene. Beautiful Recaro seats. Turboed B18C built motor. Clean Honda Civic. It's not your average Honda. Let's go take a peek around, guys. That beautiful Z06 supercharged Corvette. Leather interior. Real clean Chevy. That thing's almost brand new. I do have one Plymouth GTX over down on the lower side I have to go take a peek at. Gorgeous car. Saw it on my way in. We will be taking a nice stroll around on the way out. You get some of these vehicles. Some old timers out here hanging around. Really model forward. Well, maybe that's why he's not enjoying any of the show. He's not enjoying the show because there's one like this creeping around. However, he's right. Probably a built kit car. Not a real Shelby. Definitely shredding some good tire off that machine. The 340 6-pack. Parked the Ninja H2 out of the way, as I don't really yearn for the attention. The Ninja H2 draws its own world in, but this, right here, this car is the light of the show for me. This Hemi Plymouth. If I could take one car here, I think this would be it. That car is absolutely beautiful. It looks fucking brand new. That thing is just amazing looking. Check that out. Oh yeah, we're jamming today, folks. We got the Ninja H2 out, and we're having a good time. Did a quick little ride with my buddies. Couple SRT Challengers. Pick your color. I'm not going to stay too long here, folks. I absolutely had to see what was going on over here. And in the meantime, keeping an eye on the Ninja H2. Gorgeous Mach 1. Red on black. Oh yeah. That thing's bad. Getting over here, we're going to move on to the imports. A couple cars I recognize. A few I don't. Nissan Skyline. Right-hand drive. We are out here on a beautiful day, Select Rider Race. Getting some action. Seeing some beautiful paint. Great motors. Some particularly, specifically, extremely nice vehicles. Look at this Dodge Charger we have here. Oh my goodness. That car is beautiful. And is that nice? Couple Hemi Cudas. Lots of Dodge. We got Dodge Charger, we got Dodge everything you need down here. If you want a Dodge down here, we got them. Before we get out of here, we're going to do a roll through on the Ninja H2. We're going to try and get as much footage of this lot as possible, as well as trying to allow people to take witness of the 2019 Ninja H2, as these vehicles are not out often. Hope you enjoy our walkthrough. We're going to go grab the Ninja H2. We're going to head on out of here. We're going to get some more video of these beautiful cars. And we're going to go ride the Ninja H2. All right. Here we go. We're going to do a ride around. Take a little peek at some of these cars. Some of these people came out to really let somebody appreciate some of their hard work, what time and money they have spent into some of their vehicles. I'm not going to try and leave you guys out for anything, Select Ride or Race. If there is something particularly nice, I will stop and try and see it. Tons of nice cars out here. A little bit of everything for everybody. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, Select Ride or Race, as we're doing everything we can to get the extra footage. Won't be staying here all day. Check that one out. Beautiful Monte Carlo over there. Check out that Mach 1. Intercooled Grand National. That one's the real deal there, folks. Some early 30s Fords. I think those are a little too early for me. Place out a year on them. But the Ninja H2 always gets the looks. SRTs all over. Monte Carlos. Beautiful cars. I got my beautiful bike out here to join these beautiful cars. Before we leave, we are going to be sure to let these people know about this bike does have launch control. The Ninja H2 has launch control. Now this one here, I'll stop for that one. That car is stunning. 64, beautiful condition. What's up, buddy? Kids running around, got to be a little careful. That's why we're going the speed we're going, baby. That's why we're going the speed we're going. You got to get that eyeball. Got to. On the way out, we're going to let that launch control go ahead and flick. I'm going to draw this video out as long as I possibly can for you. Just so you guys can enjoy the beautiful cars. And all these lovely people hanging out, bringing their beautiful machinery out for people to feast their eyes on. Look at that thing. Wow. Wow. Low RPM. This bike is so powerful. Down low. Up top is just an extra piece of the pie. The Ninja H2. I have zero complaints about this bike. I wish I could complain about something. No one leaves their stock exhaust on long enough to care. I will get some good video. This bike's exhaust is turning gold. Beautiful, beautiful gold. I would, if I could, change one thing. I don't like that my lean angle sensor turns off when I shut the bike off. I'm being picky. That's looking for something to be unhappy about on the Ninja H2. That's me, snowballing something that, this bike is amazing. If you haven't ridden one, take your chance, get out there, ask somebody, pay somebody, borrow a Ninja H2. Borrow one. A mile, an hour, a day, whatever you can. Borrow the Ninja H2. You won't want to give it back. You'll want your own. You'll want your own Ninja H2. This is like drugs for junkies. I mean, it makes you want more. Every time. It makes you want more every time. This bike is fucking amazing. I'm just trying to get home. Put the blessing on me. I don't have any problems doing that. Coming up to the light. And this thing is mental. I'll select ride a race. We hope you enjoyed our video. We hope that you get the chance to like this video, subscribe to this video, and continue to watch the other videos that we release. It will be much appreciated, and we will continue to throw more content at you guys. Until next time, Select Rider Race, keep watching for the Ninja H2.